Hi, Emily. Can you say applesauce?
Applesauce.
Can I have this? Can you say applesauce?
Applesauce.
Can you say noodles?
Noodles.
Can you say Jessica?
Jessica.
Can you say didgeridoo?
Doo-doo-doo.
What else can you say?
Okay.
Say? You can say. Are you going around in circles? You're doing circles? Wow, you're gonna get dizzy. Can you say dizzy?
Dizzy.
You want to do patty cake? Patty cake. Patty cake. Baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it. Pat it. You can't pat it if you're climbing the chair. You want to sit down? Sit on the chair.
Mama.
Can you sit on their chair? You want Mommy to sit on her chair too? There you go. You scoot out. Mommy will sit on her chair. Okay, can you roll it? Pat it. Pat it. Mark it with an E. Yeah, mark it. Can you be funny?
Nanny?
Funny?
Nanny.
What's funny?
Nanny.
Are you funny?
Nanny.
What's that? The straw? Thank you. Can you say Ari?
Ari.
Yeah, do you love Ari?
Oh.
She's not here though, huh?
Ari.
Can you say Era?
Papa.
Yeah, Era. Can you say shoes?
Shoes.
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 You gonna go get shoes? Oh, water.
Oh, Ari.
Yeah. Can you say water?
Water.
Where you going?
Oh.
What's this?
Dungeon.
Is it door?
Dungeon.
Is that where the outside is?
Dungeon.
You say outside?
Dungeon.
Dada? He's not home yet.
Oh, sorry.
Closet? Is that where you go night-night? In the bedroom?
Nana.
Night-night? Did you want to go night-night? You say, no, 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 no. I don't want to go night-night.